the ruse that defeated Hitler, Unveiling Operation Mincemeat. Without a single shot being fired in its direction, the Allies had already engineered a masterful deception that would ensnare the most notorious leader of World War II, Adolf Hitler, in a web of lies and lead to one of his most significant defeats. How? Through a masterstroke of deception known as Operation Mincemeat, which convinced Hitler to make a strategic blunder that altered the course of WO3. This operation wasn't just a battle of wits, it was a testament to the power of intelligence and psychological warfare, proving the pen and a well-placed lie is indeed mightier than the sword. In the heart of World War II, British intelligence crafted a plan so audacious it seemed lifted from the pages of fiction. Their goal, to divert Nazi Germany's attention to Greece and Sardinia away from the real prize, Sicily. The method? A dead man masquerading as Captain William Martin, carrying documents outlining a fake invasion. This wasn't just any ruse. The British went to great lengths, creating a detailed backstory for Captain Martin, including personal letters, a photo of a fictional fiancé, and even an engagement ring receipt. When this carefully curated corpse washed ashore in Spain, it carried with it the fate of the war. The documents found their way to Hitler, who, convinced by the authenticity of the deception, redirected his forces. This monumental error thinned Sicilian defenses, allowing the Allies to face significantly less resistance and secure a pivotal victory. Operation Mincemeat underscores a crucial aspect of warfare. Sometimes, victory is seized not on the battlefield, but in the minds of the enemy. It stands as a bold reminder that in the shadowy realm of war, a well-crafted lie can hold more power than an army.
So what do you think about this video? If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe before you go.